Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. Today I'm going to be showing you my new mighty hoops that I am so excited to have because I've wanted them forever. So, like I said, Merry Christmas to me. I am super stoked because these make embroidery so much easier. And we will be embroidering on this towel. This is a gift, so I already have it folded up and ready to go. But I am super excited to show you this. We're going to use the Ricoma EM1010 needle because that is what you use these mighty hoops on. And we are just going to jump right in and get started on this really fun project. All right, so we're going to try this out for the first time, and we're going to see how this works. I'm just going to lay my stabilizer here. Actually, I'm going to move this down just a little bit so it gets it. I'm just going to use a cutaway on this towel because we're just going to do a little practice with our new mighty hoop here. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this in half like I normally do. I've already pressed this, and so pressed it to get all the wrinkles out of here. So I like to fold my towels in half like this, right sides facing each other, because I just find that it makes it so much easier to place things on here. So I'm going to use this center line right here as my go-to, as my line to line up perfectly here so that my design can be centered. I forgot to do this part, so we are going to redo this. It's a learning curve. All right, so I'm going to put my hoop in here. Snaps right into there and down here. Then I will put my stabilizer here. And that's going to hold that in place. If you do embroidery, you on a 10 needle machine, you want mighty hoops. These are awesome. Okay, so I'm just going to line up that crease right here on this center line, and I can see it also here. So now all I'm going to do is just fold this out, holding this in place. Okay, and I am going to take my hoop and just set it down like that. Got some of Jax's hair in there to help me out. And then should just come off. What did I do wrong? Oh, nothing. I did nothing wrong. And then it's perfectly hooped. So you can see that it's nice and taut. And on the back, we're good to go. All right, so I've got her all loaded up on the machine here on our Ricoma, and I'm super excited. This is my first time using the Mighty Hoop, and I can't believe I have them finally. Yay! I have been wanting these forever. So Merry Christmas to me. I am going to do a test run to make sure that there is nothing that is hindering the hoop. I don't want to have any of my needles or anything hitting the hoop. So we're just going to go ahead and do that first after I set the color. So and then one. We'll do it in one. Okay, so that's good. Excuse me. All right. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so that tells me that I don't have it set up correctly. So I need to go back into my hoops and choose probably a smaller hoop here. Let's get rid of that and go into go. Let's try this again. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to share it, that's great because sharing is caring. Also, don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I will link down below to where you can get all of these items and stitch this out yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.